Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Charge the DualShock 4 to at least 50% and close apps that use Bluetooth. Next, decide wired or wireless. Wired uses a USB to micro USB cable and is instant. For wireless, enable your PC's Bluetooth 4.0 or plug a dedicated dongle. Once done, put the DS4 into pairing by holding Share plus PS until the light blinks. Now move to the system side and begin the pairing or driver install process. You'll install drivers or a compatibility layer so games recognize the DS4. If you choose DS4 Windows, download, extract, and run the installer. It installs the Vi Gem driver and exposes the controller as an X input device. Alternatively, in Windows Bluetooth Add Device, select Wireless Controller after the DS4 blinks. Once paired, open Game Controllers or DS4 Windows to test sticks, triggers, and buttons. Make necessary mappings. This fixes axis inversion and trigger dead zones before you launch. You finish by calibrating inputs and saving a profile. Open the app you used, adjust dead zones, sensitivity, and save profiles per title. Make sure Steam's controller settings don't conflict. Toggle DS4 support off or on depending on the game. If you see lag or disconnects, switch to a high-quality USB cable or wired mode. That often resolves latency. For persistent pairing errors, reset the controller with the tiny button on the back. Then repair. This almost always clears stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.